Say it isn't so. Not the flat below. From an opera wannabe in 13G, a matinee of some cantata, Wagner's Ring and Traviata. My first night in 14G, I'll put up with Eugenie. Brew myself a cup of tea. Crochet until she's been 8:30. Not a peep, except the clock talking. Now I lay me down to sleep. A comfy bed to rest my head, a stretch, a yawn, I'm almost unrest. Do better, do better, do better, oh yeah. Now the girl upstairs wakes me unawares, blowing down from 15G, her reveille. She's scatting like her name is Ella. Guess who answers a cappella? Don't put a boy, boy. Don't put a boy, boy. I'm not one to raise my voice, make a fuss, or speak my mind, but I'm query. Would you mind if, could you kindly stop? That felt good. Stop. 13, 15, 14G, almost unlike the trio. Not quite 3-part harmony. All day and night we're singing. Do boy, boy, leave it, boy, boy, stop. Oh